Hey.
What?
Never mind.
Hey baby, won't you look my way? I can be your new addiction. Hey baby, what you gotta say? All you're giving me is fiction.
Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am coming to you guys from my balcony right now. I'm just chilling outside. It's so beautiful out here. It's fall here. Like, it finally feels like fall. So I'm super excited. I was able to layer. So I have on my Marvana sweater. I have on a dress underneath the sweater. It's like a long sweater. It goes like all the way down. And then I have on some leggings and some boots. But anyways, yeah, I'm so excited because finally it feels like fall. It's so pretty. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, it's super like gloomy. It even started raining a little bit. So I'm just so excited. We just now came from the movies, so we went to go see Thor, and it was amazing. Anyway, so this video that you guys are about to watch is a collection of just random stuff I've been doing like over the past week or so, and just wanted to share with you guys this little vlog and bring you guys a little bit closer into my life. Just super informal video. Sorry, I keep saying a lot. I'll just address the elephant on the balcony. My hair. So I straightened my hair today. Whoops, there I go again. I straightened my hair today. I really feel like it turned out okay. I mean, it looks super straight, obviously, because you guys have been seeing my hair big or slicked back in a bun, but now it's like bone, kind of bone straight. Yeah, so if you want to see the process of how I got from, you know, my hair from here to here, then comment below and say, show me how you did it. Yeah, so it's crazy, it's rough, tackling hair like hours, you know, but I did it. I needed a change. So yeah, if you here, I'll show you guys without the hat on. So, whew, it's getting hot under there. But yeah, okay, so here's what it looks like without a hat on. I definitely have edge control, controlling my edges, because unfortunately, I don't have my grandmother here with me anymore. She used to hot comb. She used to put the hot comb on the stove and then get my edges. And she just like, she never burned me, you know? I mean, if you have that grandmother in your life still who can hot comb your hair with the metal hot comb that she puts on the stove and then get your edges and still doesn't burn you, I appreciate her. So yeah, I love you so much, Grandma Mary. Rest in peace. But yeah, so I didn't have her today to help me to get my edges, so I had to enlist in some edge control, which, you know, I mean, it worked, I guess, pretty well. But yeah, this is where my hair is. This is how long it is right now. Every time I straighten my hair, I'm so surprised at like what I look like and like how long it is, because I never straighten it really, mainly like, I don't know, like once or twice a year. So yeah, it's fun. And if you guys want to see how I did it, again, comment below on this video, and I'll definitely be posting a lot of different hairstyle pics on my Instagram so you guys can see how I style it. But anyways, let's get into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great week. Bye. Damn, girl.
Hey.
What?
Never mind.
Hey sugar, what you gotta say? It started with a whisper, and I was when I kissed her, and then she made my lips hurt. I could hear the chit chat.
Where is it at?
Take me to your love shack.
I just got back home from grocery shopping and I'm so hot. I mean, I thought it was fall, but I guess not in San Diego. Anyways, so yeah, I just got back from Sprouts. I'm gonna show you guys what I purchased at the grocery store in case you're curious, and let's get into it. It's November 3rd. I'm over here trying to wrap a gift with my 99-cent store ribbon, and I'm like, oh, this is going great. Got it wrapped. Now time to put the bow on. And I go to get more fabric to make a bow, and there is no more left. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get crafty. And I made this little flower, but this ain't enough. Like, it's not enough. So then what do you do? Like, I don't know. Hey guys, so I'm having like a little fall get together, housewarming-ish type thing. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. It's a party, okay? Like a low-key party. So me and Philip just moved into our new apartment and we're super excited. And like I told you guys before in my intro, I love decorating and all that jazz. So yeah, we're about to have this get together tonight in only a few hours. So I have some friends coming over to help me get ready, and I thought it would be cool to bring you guys along and watch you guys. Don't look at my hair, like it's wet. I'm gonna fix it and show you what it looks like later, okay?
You're like me, but you're like a step beyond.
You answered like 3 different things.
You realize that I asked you?
Thanks, babe.
She did. I'm gonna get you in this video.
What video?
I'm gonna take a video.
Do you like it, Mark? Yeah? It's everything?
Wow, he used our word. Nobody's
There it is. Are you ready? Hey! Hold on, just once or twice.